Cairo 7 Pinpoint Storm Tracker is a great piece of technology, and it's something that's different that you're not going to find with the other guys. We're getting real-time information into our system, and we're immediately able to show that to viewers.
Here's a three-dimensional slice of some of that rain moving into Carbonado.
We could show you where rain is hitting down to the neighborhood.
535 Puyallup, those storms moving in.
And most importantly, pinpoint the locations where the storm will be the worst.
Kids are maybe getting home from school, playing outside. Want to bring them in.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.
We have so many different types of weather threats in western Washington, some of them happening at the same time. The Cairo 7 Pinpoint Storm Tracker takes in all of the meteorological data to determine exactly what you can expect if you're driving from Linwood to Seattle or from Tacoma to Puyallup.
5 o'clock, the drive home tomorrow is going to be tough.
But most importantly, when a storm is coming in, to time it out right to your neighborhood.
That's going to be moving to the southeast at about 6:35.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.
Here in western Washington, we have so many different weather hazards that are unique to our part of the world.
One neighborhood can see heavy downpours with gusty winds, while other neighborhoods may be in the sunshine with calm conditions.
The Cairo 7 Pinpoint Storm Tracker takes in all of the meteorological data to make a precise forecast right for where you live.
We're getting real-time information into our system. We can show you in a matter of minutes that heavy rain, maybe lightning, gusty winds, will all be over your neighborhood.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.
One of the things I hear so much from viewers is that they want to know, what is the weather going to be like where I live? We know how much the weather can vary from Everett to Seattle, Seattle to Tacoma. Very different weather in a matter of just a few miles.
Sun a little deceiving around the sound right now because just west of Puget Sound, it's a completely different story.
With Cairo 7 Pinpoint Microcast, we want to really zero in and pinpoint the weather that's going on in very specific neighborhoods.
Capitol Hill at 38 degrees right now, as well as Magnolia.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.
The weather in western Washington can change in an instant, from Capitol Hill to Kirkland to Bellevue, but it's not always severe. A lot of times our weather is just inconvenient.
The heaviest rain does appear to come in for the afternoon commute.
The Cairo 7 Pinpoint Microcast uses the very latest data to determine the weather where you live.
Watch out if you're headed out first thing in the morning. It will be a bit slick.
Right down to your neighborhood.
Shoreline down to about Northgate, seeing some of that rainfall also.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.
Around Puget Sound, a matter of miles really makes all the difference when it comes to the type of weather you're seeing. If you're in Everett, you might be seeing heavy rain, while Seattle and Tacoma are in the sunshine.
The Cairo 7 Pinpoint Microcast uses the very latest data to determine the weather where you live. We're able to determine exactly when it's going to rain on your commute home or on your way to work.
We can really zero in on those specific neighborhoods that are in the thick of the weather, and most importantly, where it's heading next.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.
Our weather may not always be severe here in western Washington, but our weather can often be inconvenient. And inconvenience is something you want to know about before you get out the door.
We're not out of the woods for your morning commute tomorrow.
The great thing about Cairo 7 Pinpoint Future Track, we can show viewers when the heaviest rain's moving in, how much you can expect. Most importantly, what neighborhoods will be at the center of the action.
Thunderstorms just to your west, Monroe, and they are moving in.
So you can prepare and get ready and stay ahead of the storm.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.
Here at Cairo 7, we have the most advanced in weather. The Cairo 7 Pinpoint Future Track, we're not just looking days out, but we're looking hour by hour at exactly what you can expect as you go through your day.
5 o'clock, the drive home tomorrow is going to be tough.
The Cairo 7 Pinpoint Future Track, able to bring you a forecast not only days ahead of time, but when they're on your doorstep. We're able to tell you exactly what's going to happen, whether it be high wind, heavy rain, snow, or flooding.
At 1 a.m., Future Track showing that coming into the sound.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Future Track is a great tool that we use, and I really rely on it when a storm is moving through.
The Cairo 7 Pinpoint Future Track takes in the very latest weather data. We're not just looking days out, but we're looking hour by hour at exactly what you can expect.
It lets us show viewers visually when the heaviest rain moves through, when the strongest winds will blow, and most importantly, pinpoint the locations where the storm will be the worst.
Cairo 7 Pinpoint Weather. Every newscast, every day.